All right, so we are going to be working on this lab. This is lab 6.5.11. Let me quickly close this. All right, so we are in lab 6.5.11 and we are going to configure DNS addresses. So you are helping a friend in college with his network connection. The dormitory where he lives has installed a 1000 BST Ethernet network. The network uses a DHCP server to assign the IP addressing. You would like to configure your friend's computer named DOM-PC to use a different set of DNS server addresses than the ones being delivered by the DHCP server. So in this lab, your task is to configure the IPv4 settings for the Ethernet network card to use the following manual DNS server addresses. So the preferred DNS server is provided, which is 208.670.222.222, and the alternate DNS server is 208.670.222.220. All right, so we have the informations we need for this lab right here, and let's go ahead and start lab. Nope. All right, so in case this video appears to be too fast for you, you can always pause the video and work at your own pace. All right, so we are inside the lab. So let's start up with the first task, which is this is the dormitory. So let's enter his PC, DOM-PC, and let's go to start. No, let's go to start. Okay, we'll access settings. So under settings, we go to network and internet. Let me maximize this so that you see what I'm doing clearly. Now under network and internet, you want to ensure that the Ethernet is connected. Then let's see, scroll down and let's see. Okay, so IP4 DNS server, this is it right here, 12.3.4.5.8.101. So we go to network and internet again and click on Ethernet. So this time around, let's go to advanced network settings, and in advanced network settings, click on Ethernet. Okay, so we let's go to more network adapter settings and right click on this, go down to properties. So under properties, you want to select we want to select properties for IPv4. And under this area, you want to we are going to obtain IP address automatically, then you click OK. Okay, so we have our own DNS server that we want to use, which is 208, the one that is provided for us right here. 208.67.222.222. And the alternate DNS server provided is 208.67.222.220. the 220. So we'll close this. If you find this video to be helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also.
Busy with health challenges, work, or family issues? We help students handle labs, coding, quizzes, discussions, and assignments while you focus on life. Our expert IT tutoring support helps you reduce stress and achieve A+ grades in your tech courses. Message us on WhatsApp now, +234 8122948229.